Hi, this is Kelly from Petsika Kelly and Play, Learn, Talk, and this video is a continuation of our escape room series, but this time we are going to be talking about incorporating the feed the animal aspect to your game. All right, so I have 3 versions for you. I want you to leave a comment below at the end and let me know which version you would like to learn how to make first. All right, so let's look at version 1. This is the simplest version. Here we have our room and the condition that we can't get out of the room, we can't access this key until we give these 3 adorable dogs 3 things, okay? So it says the dogs have the key to let you out of this room. Find a way to convince them. There are 3 things hidden in this room to help you. All right, so in most escape rooms that I've seen on Boom Learning, right, you hover your mouse around the room and something is revealed because the creators are using a text box highlight. Okay, so just like here, when I hover over the key, you can see that there's something to click on. But in this variation, we're not doing that. We actually have pieces of the room acting as a puzzle piece cover, hiding the food item that we're going to feed to the dogs, okay? So you can see right here, there's a very obvious piece. I highly suggest having one obvious piece so that it's easy for your users to understand like what they're looking for, okay? So we're gonna move this over. You notice we have a drop zone. It has a blue highlight. And here we have a piece of the room has moved away to reveal one of the bones, okay? So we're gonna click on the bone, drag it down, feed one of the dogs. You notice there's also a drop zone here. So when I hit submit, it's going to give me negative feedback that I have not followed all the instructions. So I cannot go on to the next page or get out of this room until I feed all 3 dogs. So let's look around again. Here's our next piece, and we're going to feed this dog. We can test it again. Still doesn't work, right? We need to have our 3rd item. Now this drop zone is also acting as a clue for your younger students to let them know that all of the clues hidden in the room are going to be up in this area, not down here, okay? So we're going to feed the 3rd bone, and this should work. There we go. We're going to be able to move on to the next page. We can now click on our key, and it would take us on to the next room. So here is version 2. So let's go ahead and see the difference. Now in this variation, when I move the item, there is no longer a blue highlight or that blue outline, okay? So this is making it a little bit more difficult for your students. Maybe you want to use this for older students and make it really feel like a game. There's no clue here. They really have to find out on their own, what pieces move without that blue highlight. So let's go ahead and feed all the pieces. We can double check it again. It gives us only the audio feedback. Now you can always turn this off and then they'd have nothing at all, okay? So let's move the 3rd piece. We'll feed the 3rd dog. It gives us the correct, and then we can now press the key to get out. Now actually in this variation, I made it so that the key was not necessary to get us to go out. So we would just tab through to the next page. So here is version number 3. This is the most complicated one. And this is just going to have the addition of having this key instead of the submit button be the one that lets you go to the next page. So we're going to move the items over. Again, we have no drop zone area. Feed all the dogs. And hit that button. And then it immediately takes us to the next room. So I hope you're excited about this tutorial. You can find all of the escape room ideas for your inspiration in a playlist. This video will be attached to it. You can also subscribe to this channel if you are a creator, especially a Boom card creator, and you would appreciate daily videos. So I post daily tutorials to inspire you and help educate you so you can create more games for our students, especially for speech therapy. So I will see you guys in the next video. I will be showing you how to recreate this, and I hope you're excited. All right, bye.